Friends, my name is Mair. You're watching Mairbornhungry YouTube channel. Today we are making mango habanero chicken wings. It's gonna take at least 30 minutes. We will be air frying our chicken wings and then we will prepare the fresh sauce for the wing. So the fresh sauce gonna have mangoes and habaneros. Mango habanero chicken wings. We have 30 minutes to make this mango habanero chicken wings in our air fryer. So here I have 20 chicken wings. We'll put all this in our marination bowl. So we have at least 20 of the wings. First thing I want you to add some garlic powder, granulated garlic powder. You can use that. 1 whole tablespoon. The second, take some sea salt and add at least 1 whole tablespoon of sea salt. We will take some paprika, 1 whole tablespoon. We will take some all-purpose flour. I would say 1/4 cup of baking. Just mix these guys up. So our wings are already marinated. This is how your wings should look like. It has a tiny layer of flour and it's covering with the paprika, with the garlic, just like that. So this is what it is. You guys can take a look here. Is our air fryer. We'll turn it on. So right now it's at the grill. We'll put it on air crisp, 390 degrees for 20 minutes, and we will turn it on. It's on a preheat. Our wings are right here. Once it's ready to add the wings, we will put the wings in here. All right, so our air fryer is ready. So our wings, they just go, we land it right here. This is air fryer. We don't need any oils or anything extra to it. So just we are adding carefully. I mean, all the wings should be kind of not on top of each other. This is what we have to do. If they are touching each other, it's all fine. But just try to not, overcrowd this. After 10 minutes, okay, we will open this air fryer and we will take a look in there. We might need to flip so they all get cooked evenly. All right, we will turn this, let it cook at least for 10 minutes now. So after 10 minutes, we will take a look what's going on in the side. Here, take a look here, guys. I'll be making fresh mango habanero sauce now. So let's go, let's do that. The wings are getting air fried right in there. We still have 5 minutes to open this and flip them. So in the meantime, let's start working on our sauce. We will take 2 fresh mangoes and we will just peel this just like that. I just want to make a note here. If you guys live in America and you want to find the habanero, the best habanero is to get it from a Mexican market. They have the best habaneros, I would say. Once you peel the mango, just like that, just like that. The blender juicer and put the mango, the sliced one. We don't need the mango bone. So here, let's do this one too. We need just the meat from the mango. Squeeze them in. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes in there. Let's take a look on our wings now. Here it is. Take a look here. It's not done yet, okay? We are just flipping it. We are just telling these guys, hang in there. We are here with you guys. The chicken has its own oils. It has the skin on. So don't add any kind of oils to it. We have given the rough mix. Alright, close this down. We have 10 more minutes to go. Hopefully in 10 minutes we will be making our mango and habanero sauce. We have added 2 mango meats, fresh mango meat. Alright guys, this is the trick, this is the secret. OMG. Can you eat this one for me, please? Can you try that? So, take 1, I'll add all 3 colors. This is the red one. 2, I have the green one as well. 3 habaneros goes in here. For the 20 wing, water, we'll add this right here, blend this. Here guys, this is the perfect smoothie right here, from fresh mangoes, fresh habanero. So right now I just want to taste test, so it's just me. It's actually spicy though. It's a habanero, you know, sauce pot, crab butter. It has the heat, a healthy chunk of butter. We'll add this whole jar right here. So here we are preparing the sauce guys, which goes on top. 1/4 spoon of a brown sugar, add whole in here. We will cook this at least for 5-6 minutes. That's all we have to do, and keep stir mixing it up. Time we have only 4 minutes left, and our sauce needs at least guys 6-7 minutes. So 20 minutes has been gone guys. Take a look on the wings. Yummy air fried chicken wings, so deliciously done. All our wings, and we'll just land it right here. We will at least give them a couple minutes so they settle down. Crust, take a look here guys. 20 minutes. The crunch. It's been 5 minutes. Our sauce has been boiling up. You guys see? If you cook it more, it's gonna get more thicker. But I want a little bit a raw touch to it. Mango and the habanero should have a little bit raw touch to it. We'll take 1 whole big spoon and we'll add it right here on our wings. Another one goes right here. Another one. A fresh homemade habanero chicken wings. All right, here is all the wings. Give it a mix. Here you go guys, your chicken wings with habanero and mango right here. I want to make a note here. If you are dealing with the habanero pepper, just be careful. I was scratching my forehead a little bit, and you guys can see now it's all turned red. This is all habanero mango. It has a sweet touch to it too, from the mangoes and the brown sugar. It's mostly on the sweetest side. The mango flavor, the habanero flavor. Fully cooked. This is a perfect recipe to make at home by yourself. If you have 30 minutes, make this as a snack. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Make this habanero and mango chicken wings, air fried. See you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Here it is guys, hot sauce. I mean, the sauce is hot. Ho ho ho.